Hi YouTube, and welcome back to the channel Retail Investing and Trading. And in today's video I will tell you a little bit more about 7 things I wish I knew before I started Forex trading. But before that, I want to show you our newest intro into the channel. So check it out, leave your comments below and tell me what you think about it, okay? After that, I'll go straight to the team and tell you more about 7 things I wish I knew. Go check it out. Here it goes. Okay, and we are back. Again, if you like it, please leave a comment below, click that like button, make sure to click that subscribe button and hit that bell button, smash it up. And now let's get back to the 7 things I wish I knew. So guys, this is gonna be probably a shorter video, but I think that this is something that really everybody needs to know before they start trading. So here they are. I will move my iPad screen slowly as we move down, okay? The first thing is, as you can probably see, it will be hard. It's really gonna be hard. It will take, and not just hard like that trading is hard. It's very simple, but the thing is that a lot of people will not understand you. You will question yourself. You will question, is all of this worth it? You will not know where to go. There is a lot of new things that you will have to learn. And as a matter of fact, you'll have to discipline yourself. You'll have to follow a strict plan. And if you're watching this video, chances are that a lot of people don't know what a trading plan is. I didn't know. For the Christ's sake, I didn't know for 2 years. I thought that this is a strategy. For example, like, okay, RSI goes overbought, EMA crosses this, I get a close of a candle, boom, I enter long or I enter short. And I thought this is a trading plan, which it could be. Basically, it could be a strategy. But it took me 2 years to find out what is a trading plan and why everybody who are profitable know how to journal, what a trading plan is, what is a trading strategy, and why they're sticking to it. Okay, so it will be hard, guys. It will be very, very hard mentally. Okay, so let's move to number 2. It will take a lot of time. This is a funny thing. Every time I start something new, whether that's a new project, or I don't know, whatever my decision is, and when I started, I always think, okay, sure, everybody says it's gonna be hard, it's gonna take a lot of time, etc., but I must be special. If somebody can do this in 3 years, I could probably do this in a year because I'm dedicated, I'm gonna make it, you know? The thing is that often, 99% of those times happens that I usually I don't know how to say this, but basically it's not what I think. So I thought that I'm gonna be profitable trader within a year because I joined a course. I paid, I don't know, $500 for it. There was this one strategy on a chart, when we go over Bollinger Bands and we have this kind of a breakout, then we short it. We short it after every 3 candles, only if the RSI is overbought over 80 on 14 period, something like it. This is just from top of my head. I don't remember correctly. And I said, okay, practice will give me enough. I will have to practice a lot, and I will become profitable before anybody else because I'm a competitive guy and I have to be first. I have to be profitable. I have to do this within a year. So this is my 3rd year, and for the past year, or this is my, I don't know, 3rd or 4th. fourth year, I think third. And for the past year, I haven't made a single live trade. But I was lucky enough to find a company that helped me to change my trading, to actually develop it. The company is tier 1 trading, and the coaches are Jason Greystone and Kel Stokes. Kudos to you guys, you helped me a lot. And in almost every video of mine, you hear me saying about them. Basically, the content that I'm producing here is everything is in my head, but I learned a lot from them. And it took me a year to go through all of the pairs that I decided to go through, backtest them, and have a backtested, rule-based trading plan and a system that I can now trade. 3 years. 2 years of going back and forth, jumping courses to courses, strategy to strategy, chasing shiny object syndrome, and losing time. That's it. So it will take a lot of time. It's not a marathon. It's not a sprint. It's trading is a marathon. Okay, so prepare yourself for it. Have realistic expectations what you can expect from trading. Let's go to number 3. Yeah, so not everyone will understand you. That's another big point right there, because for the past, I decided to tell people around me what I've been doing just this year when I had a when I had a foolproof system, a rule-based system. And a lot of people around me, not a lot, not like, I'll say almost 100% of people don't get it. They think that this is a get-rich-quick scheme, that I'm still not gonna make it, and they're saying that I lost a lot of time, sitting in front of my charts and sitting in front of my desktop, backtesting, having all of this data noted down in my spreadsheets, etc., etc. And don't blame people. Don't blame people around you guys. Everybody around me says that I won't make it. My best man, my parents, my girlfriend. Okay, she's most supportive, but nobody believes in it until you do it. Nothing is impossible, but everything seemed impossible until somebody makes it. So go out there, put yourself out there, start journaling, start backtesting, go one step at a time, and you will make it. But trust me, not everybody will understand what you are doing. Okay, a lot of people, specifically in trading, will think that you're gambling. A lot of people find trading as a gambling. You're basically gambling money whether the price is gonna go up or down. Sure, that might be true if you don't have a backtested over a longer period of time system, which statistically and technically shows you that over time your system will produce profits. Then it's not gambling, right? It's trading like a casino. But more on that later in another subject. So let's go to number 4. Yeah, so you will not get rich overnight or in the next 2 to 3 years. As I said, this is my 3rd year. Up until now, I will not say I lost money, but I invested a lot of money and gave it to the market. As one trader says, I paid my tuition. And I know that there are a lot of traders, Forex trading groups that are saying, I have a system that produces 10% per day. And when you're just starting out, you can think, fuck 10%. Sorry, YouTube. Sorry, I will not cuss again. Screw 10%. No, I can do better than 10. I can do 100% per day. And then you start imagining doing all of these calculations on your calculator, saying, okay, if I start with $500 and I just do 20% per day, that's what? That's $100 per day. That's $3,000 per month. Now, wow, imagine if I start with $2,000. How much money would that be, man? That's $6,000 per month and 10% per day, man. What? Just if I do 20% per day. And those are get rich quick schemes. Forex and trading Forex or stocks is not about gains of 20% or 30% per day. It's rather of gains of consistently producing 20-30% per year, 40% per year, not much more bigger. Sure, I know traders who are producing 60-70% per year, but they've been trading for 5-6 years consistently, developing their trading plan, developing their trading system, improving, journaling, having that experience, swing trading, day trading, a lot of their your trading system will never develop 100%. If you want to be consistently profitable trading, you have to redevelop, build that system, fine tune it each and every year, each and every quarter. And the thing is that in the first 2-3 years, chances are that in the first 2 years, you'll be losing a lot of money, going out there, trying to trade on your own, blowing those accounts up, etc., etc. But trust me on a single thing: Forex is a great way to accelerate your wealth, building your wealth, but not creating it initially. Because when you have low budget, 40% return on $1,000 is not a lot of money. At least not to a lot of people. To some people, yes. But $1,000, 40% yearly return is $400. There are people out there that are making $400 per day on average with Forex, which is doable, but their accounts are much bigger. And when you get to the point when you're consistently profitable, people will start throwing money at you. You will start getting investors, and then you can trade conservative, produce those 40% returns on year, and have your cut in it. That's how you grow your trading capital. Okay? Now let's move to number 5. You will be tested. Well, this is something like this. Number 5 includes everything that I already said. So it will be hard. You will be tested. Should I quit? It will take a lot of time. Yes, almost a year without putting a single trade out, single trade live or a demo. Just going through charts per 2-3 hours per day, noting the information down. Like guys, like you're gonna hit. My coach says a wall. You'll just start, and is it all worth it? And you still don't know. But you put in 3 years of your life trying to do something. So you will be tested. You will test your own self. You will test yourself. It will be really hard. Let's go to number 6. Okay, to make it simple for you. When I started backtesting and creating my own system, I said, okay, I want to backtest 10 pairs, 3 strategy per pair, and then I want to add a trend continuation and a breakout strategy and all that bullshit. And I was overwhelmed in the first week. I found myself jumping from one strategy to backtesting another strategy, not finishing a single one. And then I started evaluating myself and my actions, what I've been doing. And I said, okay, 1 pair, 1 strategy. Let's finish just one. And then I said, okay, let's finish another one on this pair. And then another one. And then another one. And in a year, I've done 6 pairs. And I'm just about to finish 3 strategies per each pair. Each of those strategies on average is producing around 1.5 to 2% return in the times per year. So imagine having 3 strategies per pair, 6 pairs, that's like 18, producing me 2% return on average, conservatively trading. That's almost 40% return. Sure, maybe a back-tested system. I need to trade this. I need to forward test it. I need to, I need to see how will I produce this live. This was all back-testing, but the numbers are there. I have a system that produces almost 40% return. We will see how that go. Okay, so focus on a one thing at a time, and slowly with time you will get there. Okay, which brings us to our final thing, to our final number, which is number 7. Read it, do it, read it, do it every day. Backtest everything. Literally, backtest everything, guys. When in the first 2 years, when I was trying to trade, I thought that backtesting like a month of trades will be enough. But I said, okay, this works. Okay, this is good strategy. $500 to the broker. Boom! I blew it. Just like that. Backtesting means strategically going candle by candle, like they were printed, like they're being printed live, and taking same action when the specific pattern in market repeats itself. So for example, if when the price breaches through support, comes back to retest it, and then you get a higher high, higher close candle, or in some kind of a bearish breach of breach support, comes back to retest it, so that's a bearish obviously, and then you get a lower low, lower close, go short. So every time this happens, you have to take a short position with your specific targets and with your specific stop losses. And then throughout the period of 5 years or 100 trades, whatever comes first, you note down your entries, your exits, your pips. Did you win or did you lose? Time of entry, time of exit, everything. And then you see, was your strategy profitable or not? Try in that period to take as many information as you can, like ATR, like RSI, like EMA values, like whatever you can take, and then you filter it out at the end, and then you see, is your strategy profitable? And the most frustrating thing for me is that sometimes it's not. So I spend like 20 something hours, 30 hours backtesting one strategy on one single pair, almost a day of backtesting, only to find out that this strategy was not profitable for me. And then you move forward to another strategy, and another, and another. And then eventually you'll start finding strategies which work for you. Then you will create your backtested system, your trading plan. You will start forward testing and trading it live. And then eventually over time, you will consistently take profits, make money, and you will become consistently profitable trader. With those wishes, I want to thank you very much for watching this video. And I almost forgot. I have to invite you to click that subscribe button, smash that bell button, and talk to you soon, guys. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.